Good morning, students. In this video, I will read and explain you lesson number 6, The End of Sher Khan, from your Mowgli novel. In this chapter, we will come to know how Sher Khan came to an end. After the meeting at the Council Rock, something began to hurt Mowgli inside him. Remember what happened at the Council Rock? The wolves were against Mowgli and they wanted him to leave jungle and go and live in the village. Mowgli was very upset because his own young wolves or the wolves family was against him. And he considered himself as a member of the wolf family. He could not breathe and tears ran down his face, thinking how the young wolves treated him. What is this, Bagheera? Am I dying? Means something is falling out of my eyes. Am I dying? No, little brother. These are only men's tears. Let them fall. Because he stayed in the jungle. Remember? He doesn't know those feelings. This was the first time he cried. So for on this, Bagheera said, don't worry, brother. It is men's tears. Human beings cry, laugh. They have different feelings. Let them fall. Let the tears fall out of your eyes. So Mowgli sat and cried for the first time in his life. His heart was broken, thinking about the young wolves' behavior. Now I will go to men. But first I must say goodbye to my mother wolf. Mowgli said, I will go to the village, to the men. But before going there, I would like to say goodbye to Mother Wolf. He went to the cave where she lived with Father Wolf and cried on her coat while the 4 cubs howled sadly. Means he went to the cave to meet his Father Wolf and cried on her coat. On mother's coat, means he hugged her mother wolf while all the 4 other cubs cried out loudly as they didn't want him to leave the jungle. They were very sad. You will not forget me. Mowgli asked them, you will not forget me, right? Never. We will wait for you every night at the bottom of the hill from where the village starts. Fine? So we will wait every night to meet you there. Father Wolf rubbed his nose against Mowgli's face. Come soon, Mowgli, come again soon. Your mother and I am very old. Please come again and again to meet us as we are very old. Yes, come soon, my little son, and remember, I have loved you more than my own cubs. Always remember, I love you more than my cubs. I have loved you more than my cubs. I will come. Don't forget me. Tell them in the jungle never to forget me. He asked Mother Wolf to tell the jungle people that never to forget me. He left the jungle and walked many miles until he found a village far away. He walked for many miles. He walked for a long time to find the village. There was a woman in this village named Mesua. A woman named Mesua. Many years earlier, a tiger took the boy off into the jungle. Means many years ago, a tiger has taken Mesua's son into the jungle. So the village gave Mowgli a place with her and her husband. So considering Mowgli the lost son, the villagers gave Mowgli a place in Mesua's house. Mesua wanted to believe it was her lost son. What the jungle has taken, the jungle has given back. Means whatever the jungle has taken, means the jungle has taken their son, so jungle has given back his son. Mowgli found men's ways strange. Strange means surprising behavior, different behavior from the jungle people behavior. At bedtime, he slept in the long, clean grass in the field. In jungle, he used to sleep on a long, clean grass in the field. He did not understand why people slept inside. He couldn't understand why the pupils are sleeping inside the room. He knew, however, he must learn to talk. Now, as he was living in the village, among the people, he must learn to talk. As he learned all the tongues of the animals, now he must learn man's tongue. So he repeated every word he heard Mesua speak. To learn the human being's language, what he did in the beginning, he started repeating whatever Mesua spoke. One night, Grey Brother, one of the Mowgli's 4 wolf brothers, found him in cool grass. Grey Brother came and met Mowgli in the cool grass. "Wake up, little brother, I bring news." The Grey Brother has brought some news for Mowgli. Mowgli was very happy to see him. He was very happy to see his wolf brother. "Is everyone in the jungle well, Grey Brother?" "All but the wolves that were burnt with red the flower." Means all are well. All are in good conditions. Only the wolves which you burned with the red fire or the red flower, that is the fire, they are not good. We miss you. We remember the days in the cave as cubs together. I still remember our childhood days when we all used to stay together in the cave. We remember the years we 5 grew up in the jungle together. But listen, Sher Khan has gone away for a time. However, he will be back again to kill you. Means Grey Brother informed Mowgli that Sher Khan has gone away for some time. Whenever he will come back, he has decided to kill you. Whenever I will come back again, I will wait for you in the bamboos. I will wait near the bamboos. We will talk of what is new. That time I will get the new news or any new information. For 3 months, Mowgli stayed in the village learning how men lived. Now 3 months has passed while Mowgli is staying in the village, and he is learning new ways how the villagers lived. The hardest thing he had to learn was how to wear men's clothes and what money was. Means as he was learning the human beings or the villagers' ways of living, the hardest or the difficult way to learn for him was to wear men's clothes, how the men wear clothes, and what the money was all about. Sometimes the little children made him angry when they laughed because he could not say some words. Sometimes small little children used to tease him when he was not able to speak some words. Luckily, the law of the jungle taught him to keep calm. Law of the jungle taught him to keep quiet, peaceful. In the evenings, he sat listening to the old men tell stories. In the evening, he used to sit and listen to the old men stories. One night, they spoke of the tiger that took Mesua's son. They said it was a ghost tiger. One night, the old man was telling the story of how the Mesua's son was taken by a tiger who was like a ghost. It was a tiger with a bad leg, means the leg was broken, was wounded. Mowgli knew they spoke of Sher Khan. Mowgli knew what the old man was talking and about whom they were talking. They were talking about the Sher Khan. I will continue explaining in the next video.